The California Appeals Court has overturned the rape conviction of a man named Julio Morales. He apparently went into a woman's room in the middle of the night. She thought that the man was her husband. Apparently, she was drunk.
Her boyfriend.
Her boyfriend. Her boyfriend was drunk. She was drunk. They decided not to have sex because they didn't have a condom. And I don't know why he left the room, but he left the bedroom. And later on, this man by the name of Julio Morales comes into the room and starts having sex with her while she's asleep.
She thinks it's the boyfriend. Right?
She thought it was her boyfriend. And anyway, they continue to have sex. And later on, she wakes up and realizes it's Julio Morales, and she prosecutes. That
makes sense.
And originally, he was found guilty. He was convicted of rape. However, because of an arcane law from 1872, since she is not married, since she only has a boyfriend, they cannot convict Julio Morales of rape.
No, so understand this. This is not a joke. This is real. It just happened, this ruling, okay? If you're an unmarried woman, a man is allowed to be an imposter and fake whoever he is and have sex with you against your will. So they say, well, you know, she was having sex anyway and she's unmarried. I mean, it goes back to the old line of thinking, and you see it in Islamic countries, you see it in this country, still to this day. Well, I mean, if she's unmarried and having sex, well, I guess she had it coming. Now, if she was a married woman and then somebody did that, well, that is unacceptable. That would be rape. Why? Because it's not an affront to the woman, it's an affront to her husband. She's the property of his husband and you're violating his property. Okay, but if she's no one's property and she's unmarried, well, who cares? Okay, now the law's from 1872. The fact that we're still applying it is insanity. Insanity. So really, he's free to go. Today, he's free to go.
I don't even, this is one example of a story where I don't even know what else to say about it. It's ridiculous. And it's one of those things where if I were to report it and I didn't tell you that this was out of California, you would assume that this is in some Islamic country, right? But no,
I thought you were going to say Arkansas.
Well, okay, maybe
either
that's
Alabama or Kandahar.
But this is in California. This isn't a blue state.
Yeah.
Unbelievable.